Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. We're here on Deck 4. Check it out. Got this beautiful sculpture here at this elegant staircase. Over here is Boleros. They have Boleros on this ship. But they have bands performing, a small dance floor, and more seating over on this side as well. Up next is the Casino Royale. Here in the casino, we're greeted by these two. Got this usher guy over here. And this lady here, serving the most stale popcorn I think I've ever seen. They have table games. They have slots. Everything that a casino should have. Great opportunities to make money. Hopefully not lose any. And of course, a bar. Gotta have your favorite beverages. And then there's these two, which have been dancing and dancing away. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Alright, the Casino Royale. And further ahead towards the front of the ship, this is the schooner bar. Schooner bar with their schooner or ship theme. Looks like we've got trivia going on here.
18.
Trivia at the schooner bar.
What flying invention did Fred Morrison originally invent? What flying invention did Fred Morrison originally invent?
At the front of the ship, this is the Royal Theater called the Lyric. It's closed at the moment, can't go in there, but I want to show you this cool staircase they have here. It goes from 3, 4 to 5. But here is a very unknown secret here on the adventure. Outside these doors here. Let's check out the beautiful scenery. Looks like refueling. Alright, but here's what I want to show you. Up these stairs. Alright, what's up these stairs? Look at that landscape. But you go up the stairs and look at this. This is the helipad. The helipad here on the Adventure of the Seas. It's the very front of the ship where you can do your King of the World. But look at this. The very front. Up there's a bridge. Say hi, Captain. Pretty cool. And of course, this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.
Smoking is prohibited on all open decks.